Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you all of my slimes that I have, and that's all I'm going to be doing today. So like, let's get this started. You could have done it yourself. So here's one. So here's one of them that I've been saving.
So yeah, my next video about, I don't know what my next video is going to be about.
Let me get started to my other slime.
Yeah, this is one of
This stuff is so not good. I'm so not happy because it got a crack in it at the bottom. That's why I flip it over like that. If you make your fingerprints, you just do this, it will just look like fingerprints only like that. Let's see. Move that back so that way you can see me better.
So yeah,
You see the slime more better now. That's why I love this slime, because it's so fun. What slime? You better not get it on you. Okay. Now I'm showing you my other slime. So my other slime is jiggly slime.
So let me try to set this up. They right there on the drawing.
Mr. Randy found drugs.
Whoa. So this sounds like water, kind of. See, listen.
See, this thing is like almost stiff.
So that's the reason why I like it, because it's jiggly. And you can play with it, it bounces. You play with it, it bounces. That's the reason why I like this one, because it's so jiggly. And when I do this, it's like so awesome and so cool. I should look. That's so awesome. I love it like that. So that's the one thing I like about it. Now I'll put this one back and show you all my other one. Jay, let's switch watch. Again, let's switch. Again. I'm talking about switch. I need that one. If you want to, you can flip it over. Because I don't think it's going to hold. Jay, get my purse, I mean my book bag, So here's another one. This one's clear. See like that? It's clear. It does not look clear to y'all. But it is clear when you lift it up like that. My other slime doesn't do that, but this one had made out of clear glue. Yeah, I want to see y'all stuff.
Okay, so here goes good sound.
Y'all can hear the good sound. But some people do not like that sound. So
where were you 6 last night? Uptown at a drum circle outside the mayor's house?
I hate this part when you get stuck. This slime is the most stickiest one in the world.
Military bill, 50.
Yes, that's true. That slime.
Pickup after protest last week.
This slime is sticky or something. That's slime is sticky. Really sticky.
Really sticky than most of them in the whole entire world. So this is the one I really like because it's not sticky. It's not like the others.
It's not sticky. It's not. Yeah, but this one not even one part.
Yeah, because you remember the jiggly one? And this is not that
We used to have a whole
bad. Bad.
Talk yourself to
Bad.
death.
So, yeah.
Oh, the dragon of fever.
This one is breakable though. That's one reason I hate the slime because it's so breakable. They probably added way too much water and stuff in it. That's probably why. Because some of the slimes I make, it's just like breakable because I added way too much stuff
Yeah,
in
it might cut
it.
off in a couple of minutes. I don't know.
You said a couple of minutes
For my phone.
for my phone.
Yeah, we are recording on the phone. That's the easiest thing. Hey, do you want me to edit your video? Do you want like music over it while you're talking? Huh? Alright, I can do that.
Take it easy, man.
Donald, don't make this harder.
That makes sense.
So that's all I got for today. So, I'm about to go
Yeah.
to the store and
think
get a
that's-
Nutty Buddy. So I'll be back.
Yeah.
So I'm finally back. I finally got my Nutty Buddy from the store. I just opened it. It tastes so delicious. I can't wait. So yeah.
Okay, now it's time to have trouble putting this down.
I am the new Honey Hot Glazed Chicken Strip Basket only at DQ. I make sports bar when you want to go
Oh.
wild with celery sticks. I am sauced and tossed with a sweet heat that'll make your mouth want to kiss you on the lips. Because I'm not fast food, I am fan food.
Fabric super sculpting fabric is now on
See, look, now you got 7 minutes. I told you.
support in all the right places. For leggings,
So you're gonna have more than 13 minutes. I
right now,
promise.
get your first pair of
promise,
leggings
because I
for $24 only at thebreaks.com.
Stop the fun, shall
So yeah, I'm still at the table.
The creators of Chicken Run.
Eating some ice cream.
Ernie. Modern man. On that different.
Same.
They play with their pets. They shake. And they both have a fear of giant ducks.
Wow.
I wouldn't call it fun. I was gonna record it. Okay, I was gonna record it outside, but now we're doing it.
7 days ago, Karen wasn't thinking about joining.
You can go outside the door.
She was thinking about enjoying. But now that she's thinking
Oh, my hand's shaking. Jamie,
real difference and enjoying
Jamie, help me! My hand's stuck.
it supports increased flexibility over time.
It bit me.
In just 7 days, you're enjoying the
Okay, so this is the, it for the video.
complex.
Yeah, I'm gonna go a bit.
Yeah,